Hello, I'm going to introduce our AT2 asset tracker to you. This is our standard AT2. This is the box. Let's open it. This is the small AT2 device. It is as small as the lipstick. This is the charger. This is the charging cable. You also can use this cable to change the parameter. This is the user manual. For this AT2, we also has the option accessory, the strong magnet bracket. You can put it on the thing that with iron. It's hard to move it. Now let's insert the SIM card. Push this button. Then you can see the light is green. That means this device has already tailed this SIM card and this device can work normally.